Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Cloud Deployment Manager alternatives with Terraform. Detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have Terraform installed on your local machine. You can download it from the official HashiCorp website. After installation, confirm it is set up correctly by running Terraform version in your terminal. Next, create a new directory for your Terraform project. Navigate to this directory using the command line. Now, initialize your Terraform workspace by running Terraform init. This command prepares your working directory for other Terraform commands. Next, you'll want to create a Terraform configuration file. Use a text editor to create a file named main.tf. In this file, start by defining the required provider for Google Cloud. You can do this by adding the provider block with your project ID and region. Next, specify the resources you want to manage with Terraform. For instance, you can create a simple Google Compute instance object. Add the resource definition to your main.tf file. Ensure to specify parameters such as name, machine type, and zone. Once you've defined your resources, save the configuration file. Next, validate your Terraform configuration by running Terraform validate. This command checks for syntax errors in your configuration file. If everything is correct, proceed to run Terraform plan. This command previews the changes that Terraform will make in your Google Cloud account. Review the plan actions carefully. When you're ready, execute the command Terraform apply. You'll be prompted to confirm the changes. Type yes to proceed with the creation of the resources. Terraform will now create the specified resources on your Google Cloud platform. After the process completes, you can visit the Google Cloud Console to verify the creations. To manage your infrastructure, you can modify the main.tf file as needed. Whenever you make changes, repeat the Terraform plan and Terraform apply commands. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.